Introducing the new 4-in-1 folding series hand truck from Cosco, offering easy one-hand conversion from two-wheel hand truck to two-wheel assisted hand truck to cart and platform cart. It is the perfect tool for moving things around your home or office. While in hand truck mode and assisted truck mode, the weight capacity is 363 kilograms. Constructed from steel and commercial-grade aluminium, it is lightweight and easy to handle, yet still strong and durable to move larger items. Simply fold down the top plate and you're ready to go. In cart or platform mode, it can handle loads of up to 453 kilograms. With never flat 250mm solid tyres, it is easy to manoeuvre whatever the terrain. Using the hand truck in assisted mode increases stability and safety. With the Cosco 4-in-1 hand truck, nothing is left behind. Cosco, smart by design,